Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Unsay buhaton if the siblings wanted to divide their shares of their inheritance inherited from their parents? Let's talk about judicial and extrajudicial partition. Tara, let's talk about this. Judicial partition is when the division of property was done through court order because ang mga co-owner wala nagkasinabot unsaon nila pagbahin ang property. What are the legal basis? Article 491 of the Civil Code of the Philippines nagaingon, no co-owner shall be obliged to remain in the co-ownership. Each co-owner may demand partition at any time. And Rule 69 of the Rules of Court governs judicial partition of real estate. Unsay process sa judicial partition? Since na may dispute, number one, any co-owner may file petition to the court. And second, the court will appoint a commissioner in order to oversee the division. And thirdly, if ang division dili feasible, the court recommends na ang property ibaligya and ang proceeds mo i-distribute sa mga co-owner. Unsay purpose jud sa judicial partition? Para na ay fair and equal gyud ang pag-distribute sa shares among the co-owners. On the other hand, extrajudicial partition is when the property was divided among co-owners. Kung bali, sabot-sabot na walay gubot. From the word itself, extrajudicial, meaning out of the court settlement. Walay labot si court sa pag-divide giunsa pagbahin among the co-owners. What are the legal basis? Rule 74 Section 1 of the Rules of Court and Article 493 to 495 of the Civil Code of the Philippines concerning co-ownership. So, saan pag-process sa extrajudicial settlement? So, number one, ang mga heirs, mag-execute sila of extrajudicial settlement of estate, notarized. And number two, inyo nang ipapublish sa newspaper of general circulation for 3 consecutive weeks. And lastly, i-adto na ninyo sa Registry of Deeds para i-annotate ang property. So what's the purpose? Of course, for faster, less cost na pag-divide sa property among the heirs. Kaya naman, nakasinabot man na may harmonious relationship. So in closing, there are 2 ways to divide inherited properties. Judicial and extrajudicial partition. If nakagubot gali, judicial kita. Kung harmonious ang relationship, sinabot tanan, extrajudicial ra. Both ensures fairness in the eyes of the law. This has been Attorney Ken Ruibe Marsado saying, let's continue to empower our community with knowledge, dignity, and justice. So if you want to learn more videos about Philippine and educational laws, please follow, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.